Good afternoon, everybody. Steven from Break Free Homestead. Today's video is going to be about the 18-volt Ryobi blower. I'm using a 4-amp battery. We have a large property here, so this will definitely not do the job. The battery is going to die, and you're going to be charging and charging and charging. I bought this blower when we had a small property in Arizona and basically blowing off dust on a deck and a porch. I'm going to show you today. We'll do a little bit in the grass where it's kind of weak, lacking, and then we'll go to the driveway where we can blow off a lot more leaves a lot faster, obviously. If you guys would like the video and subscribe, tell me in the comments what blower you're using and what one you're thinking about getting. Obviously you're looking into this one, but what are your other options so people can see what else you're looking at. We'll start off down here. There's a decent amount of leaves in this area, and we'll try to blow it towards the chicken coop. See, a lot of leaves did move, but there's still a lot left on the grass. All right, we have a decent amount of leaves right here on the edge of the grass and then to the driveway. I'll blow the edge of the grass just so you can see what's going on with that, and then we'll hit the driveway. All right, looking back, decent little path, some leaves here and there. All right, for this one, I'm just gonna set it here, and I'll show you this area where it's heaviest in pine needles and leaves. As you guys saw in the results from the video, it works well in the driveway. In some of the heavier parts, you have to get closer to blow it all away, all the debris. But I would recommend this product. It feels great as long as you have a smaller property or you're just doing small projects. Like maybe if you're just hitting that whole driveway at once, that'd be fine. But I wouldn't expect to do a whole front yard lawn and do a backyard also. Obviously, you might need a little more power for that and something that's not battery. Thanks guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Have a good day.